Good morning, friends. So we are getting kind of a really late start because my alarm actually never went off. And so we're getting a really late start. The plan is to go do Mount Sherman. So, but right now we're just gonna try to get there, get to the trailhead, and kind of decide from there. And so yeah, let's get the drive on and just enjoy the beauty that it is the mountains of Colorado. So yeah, let's go. Hey friends, so we are here parked and getting all ready and set. We are getting a pretty late start for climbing a 14er, but it is what it is. We'll see how far we get. Yeah, and just enjoy the ride. So let me get Deanie out of the car and her all hooked up to her harness and we'll get started. So yeah, let's go. Okay, that first half mile, oh man, kicked my booty, but that's okay. We stopped for water, and so my plan is right now, because this is our first 14er of the summer and Houdini's first 14er in general, I want to stop for water every half mile or so, just so that she doesn't get sick, doesn't get hurt or anything. So yeah, and I'm definitely glad that I have good snacks in the bag. I have some like granola, a tuna packet, an apple. I feel like I threw something else in there, but I also have 2 mini Kind bars in my little side pouch here, and I have honey stinger chews. So I think I'm good on food. I also have lots of treats for her and all that fun stuff. So yeah, to keep our blood sugar and stuff up. Okay, and I think we're trying to get up to there. That's where we're going. Whew. It's gonna be fun. Okay, we're a mile in. It's kicking my butt, but we're doing it. Whew. Okay, so not sure how well you can hear me, but we are a little bit over 13,000 feet, have probably another 1,000 feet of gain. Just came over this snowy little ridge, which is making me nervous on the way down, so I'm not really sure how much further up we're gonna go, but we're gonna make it as far as we can. Yeah, if we don't make it, that's okay. I made it up to the ridge, which was kind of like goopy, but that's okay. So let's see how far up that we can go. And so yeah. Alrighty friends, so I think we're gonna call it here. The summit is like right there, but this is probably about it for us. This is the highest Houdini's ever climbed, and with kind of the scramble and like loose rock on the way down, a little nervous about it, so I wanted to just start making my way down now and try to get down there safely and not hurt. But it's been nice, it's been cool, a nice hike. Quite a bit of a climb, but it was nice. It was really nice. Okay, so we made it up, down off of this stuff, which was a bunch of like this, like loose rock that you really kind of have to watch your step. And if you're not careful, you could really slip, fall, and hurt yourself. But we made it down okay. I do wish I remembered to bring my trekking poles, but I didn't. I do have my tracks for when I have to go down this snow stuff. And then I'm going to throw on just to have more traction. Come on, Dean, let's go. And so yeah, oh, you can definitely feel the altitude change even in just like 600 feet. But yeah, I'm glad. I'm a little bummed that I didn't make it all the way up to the top, but I also am glad that we turned around when we did, just because I wasn't quite comfortable hiking that spine with her connected to me and being so young and still very wanting to make friends with every bird and marmot and possibly risking the chance of falling off. So I want to wait to get all the way up, because even we were so close, but kind of wanted to wait until that chance wasn't there. But I am very proud of how well she did. And I also decided to turn back because that is the highest she's ever climbed, and I didn't want to push it because she can't like tell me when she's not feeling well. I just didn't want to push her too much for right now. So we got to 13,766 feet of elevation, which I'm very proud of, like I keep saying. But yeah, so now we are making our way down. This is fun. I'm really enjoying this. I'm glad I keep saying it, but I'm just glad we came and attempted it and tried it. that maybe next time we'll make it all the way up there and I will remember my trekking poles. All we need to do, hold on Dean, is to get down this snow right here, and then it's pretty much a piece of cake back down to the car. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Okay, so my biggest piece of advice when you're coming down something or going up something that makes you a little nervous or makes you feel even just slightest unsafe is don't be afraid or embarrassed to do what makes you feel safe and what makes any other being, whether it's your dog or a friend, feel safe. Don't feel afraid of doing it or even embarrassed. Like I just had to like butt slide down some of that snow and I had to let go of her off, like let her off the leash to get down the snow because she was kind of pulling at me, and that could have one hard tug, she could have taken me down, and with that I could have taken her down and could have possibly gotten us both hurt. And so, but yeah, definitely do what makes you feel comfortable and safe. And so we have one more little snow crossing and then we're pretty much done with that, and then it'll be a piece of cake, like I said, back down to the car. But yeah, this has been fun. It's getting a little toasty, so once we get past this snow I am gonna take off the tracks, take off the long sleeve, and get back to the car. Let's go. Okay, what's been super fun about like this hike is there are all these like little old like houses from like an old mining community, which has been super cool to see. And like whenever I see those kind of things, I'm like, I can't help but think about like who was here last and who lived in those and all of that fun stuff. And so it's definitely, I like love history, so it definitely makes me want to get home and do some like research about the old mining community that was here before it was clearly abandoned. And so yeah, so freaking cool. So yeah, but I am definitely glad to now be on the easy part of the trail. But yeah, next time I do this I will definitely be bringing my trekking poles. hey, just found something super cool. It's a little dedication plaque. Look. Now I definitely want to get home and do some research. Whew, a little lightheaded there, but anyway, do a little bit of research on this area and the mining community that was here, and that guy, that Ryan, whatever, something Reynolds or whatever his name was. And yeah, but yeah, geez, views are great, views are beautiful. I'm glad we came out and did this, because adventures! I'd rather make memories than, I guess, not make memories and have stories to be able to tell my future kids and grandkids, because, and I also want to be able to like encourage that adventurous spirit within whatever family I eventually do or even don't have. But yeah, I'm very happy that we did this. Okay friends, so I haven't done any research on that gold mine, or on that mine, or on the guy with the dedication plate yet. But that will, I've decided that's gonna just be a separate video altogether. And so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and enjoyed this hike as much as I enjoyed it. And so yeah, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you guys find your joy.